Hey guys, how's it going? So tonight, actually, I'm gonna do something kind of special. I am going to go to a real Japanese ramen shop. And this is just like the ones you see when you look at pictures of Japan or whatever. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on a table, all kinds of stuff. And this is supposed to be a really good ramen place. Here we are. I'll back up a little bit. So this is the ramen place we're going to. Sorry for the lighting. And we're gonna go in and try some ramen. They have all kinds of stuff. They have like squid ink ramen and tantan men and anyway, I love the ramen. I love the spicy ramen. So let's go inside and try it out. So here we are in a real Japanese ramen shop as opposed to fake ones. It has the walk-up ramen there where you sit down, the bar ramen, very traditional. And here's the menu. I got the English one, not for me, for you guys. And here's the ramens they have, so we'll see how it is. Kit's here with me too.
Hi.
Yeah, Kit's here.
I'm tired. Sorry.
She had her first day of work today.
I did. I'm exhausted. It's falling.
Sure. So they give you little napkins here, and of course you get your chopsticks and toothpicks. Here's other stuff they have. Let's see which ramen we want. Squid ink ramen is usually pretty good. Shoyu, of course, is a classic. Spicy mabo ramen. Chinese sauce with tofu on. Interesting. So let's try some of these. The dandan men, the one the guy recommended. We'll see how it is. I like the thickness. This is kind of the tantan men I like. The consistency, this is what I like. So we'll see how it goes.
5 minutes later.
Some long ass noodles.
This one's good. Yeah, this one's really
It
good.
looks like something I want to try. I don't want it. I just want to try it.
It's really good. It has the perfect consistency. It has just the right amount of kick. Highly ranked, in my opinion. The noodles are great. The thickness is great. The flavor is great. Everything about it's great.
And it's called kameke?
It's called a dandan men, right?
No, I'm talking about where it's
All right, guys, that was really good. I am full. It was a good ramen place. So guys, that was it for the ramen place. Overall, I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. Very good score. Highly recommend this ramen place. What'd you think? You tried it, right?
Yeah, I'm not
You
a
tasted
huge...
mine.
Yeah, I'm not like a huge ramen fan, but I even have to admit their broth was pretty damn good, and their noodles were really good consistency.
Anyway, guys, that's it of going to a real Japanese ramen place. We'll do this again, I'm sure. Anyway, they did have choices to sit on the floor, and they had mangas you can read and stuff like that, which is actually pretty common in ramen places in Japan. So it's a pretty cool experience. It really makes you feel like you're in an anime.
That's what he always does. He feels like he's in an anime here.
Yeah, I do. Anyway, that's it. Subscribe if you want more about Japan. Like the video. Those things really help me out, so I do appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.